guys? Finna start with some breakfast. Well, it's 12:09, man. About to eat some snakehead fish noodles. This is a frozen pack of noodles. It's very simple to make. I'm about to show y'all right now. It comes in 4 pieces. The noodles, this sauce, and the fish. It also comes with this piece that's on the bottom of the noodles. But first thing you want to do is open up your pack of noodles. Then you just want to toss it in. Next, we're going to take our snakehead fish and we're going to toss it in. Next, you're going to open up both of these sauce packets and you're going to toss that in there. This is a very underrated soup, man. I've tried a lot of different noodles, and I gotta say, these are by far my favorite. Now, I could use a spoon, but I'm trying to do this with one hand, and I really don't care about being sanitary because I just washed my hands, and this is for me. It's for nobody else. So, got all that seasoning. Get that in there. It's really nothing left of this. Last but not least, you open this. You throw these in there. By the time you throw everything in, it's time to turn. Now, keep in mind that snake fish, you're going to want to throw it in as soon as you put in the noodles to give it time to dissolve. Because it's still frozen. And while you're cooking the noodles, you could be breaking up the fish. Because if you just leave the fish to sit there and dissolve, it's still going to be cooked, but it's going to be harder. You might as well break it up so it can be all throughout your soup. We're going to give it a couple more seconds. Maybe like another minute actually, and it's going to be all cooked. Also in this time, you can bring your stove from high all the way down to a 0.7. Just leave it there. All right, it's already cooked. We could turn that off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. The soup is very underrated. It's very good. Usually with the majority of soups that I make, the fish breaks up. But in this certain pack, out of all 20 packs that I've made, this is the only one where the fish stayed intact. I'm going to take this and move this to another stove. And we're going to let it cool down for about 2 minutes.
Minor setback for a major comeback. You know what I'm saying? We don't complain about nothing. People think I'm faking this shit. It's nothing to fake. I'm real life homeless. Real life homeless, bro. And I got a hole in my fucking do-rag. But don't worry, I only use this for sleeping. Fuck. Can you tell I'm inside a car? What's going on, y'all? It's day 3 since I made a video. But, you know, we're eating real good right now. Got the setup going on. We grinding, baby. There goes the sun.
Quiet as hell. Letting the whole world know I'm in here. God damn. 20, 3 miles. Let's get it. All right. I already put the waters in there, but let's get the remainder of this shit in the car. Just got the eggs and the bread right here. The bread and the chips, man. Let's get this dropped the hell off. Literally my last order of the night. Pizza Hut order. I haven't recorded anything today, but I'm gonna record this. They're here. They're opening the door. Oh my god. How are you? Have a good night. Thank you. Thank you. Christmas Eve. Doing a $17 order right now. About to take a blinker. Man, this bitch packed as fuck, bro. This whole stupid ass fucking store is packed as fuck, and people walking slow like this. We're like, their whole fucking family there, and they only have 5 fucking items. Like, bro, y'all broke asses can't go to a fucking grocery. I mean, a freaking mall and walk around and window shop. Y'all gotta come to the grocery and window shop on some broke shit. Nah, I'm just playing though. Woo! Look, bro, let me show y'all this. I got this as a gift to my BM, you know? Because this is literally her. You squishmallow joke. No, I'm just playing. You know, got some little for my son. Just not all I got. I'm just, you feel me? He already has like a shitload of toys, so I got him some shit that he actually needs. Look at that Bluey. Yep. Now we do this, baby. But we're doing this $17 Instacart order. Woo. Let's get this shit in the trunk, baby. Alrighty. Let's get this dropped off. I already dropped off the first one. I forgot to record. There's just so much going on in those apartments. There's too much going on in those apartments. These apartments are the complete opposite. Way much quieter. Now, before I walk up 3 flights of stairs, let's make sure this is the 4th floor. Yes, it is. I'm gonna lie, bro, I'm at one of the nicest restrooms. Look at this shit. Like, what? Change the whole aesthetic, the whole ambient. What? Shit. Katie. how's it going? Sorry I haven't uploaded the past 2 days. I really haven't been at a good state mentally. I've been going every single day, and it's crazy because a lot of people who are in my daily life, my friends, my family, most of them don't even know. Like 99% of people in my life right now don't know what I'm going through every single day. And the reason is because I don't walk around, I don't walk around with my head all down, pouting, trying to have everyone feel sorry for me. Because what is that going to bring me? Just more torment, more depression. We're all going through different things. We're all facing different tribulations every single day. And we find different escapes, as in gaming, reading, smoking, drinking, whatever may comfort you. And to me, my comfort was gaming and being around my son. So right now that I'm going through what I'm going through, the only comfort I have is grinding, making money. No matter if I'm employed or unemployed, I'm still going to grind. I'm still going to make money. You're never going to catch me being on my ass. I'm not a lazy man. And I think that's one thing that I'm going to carry to the grave. Like you can say whatever you want about me, but you can't call me lazy. Because Solano, stay on that grind, man. Y'all know what time it is. Stay tuned for that hog video. It's dropping.